Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Flipping the Classroom, Claxon style. So today we're going to look at another C grade topic. We're going to look at finding the area of a circle. Now, before we even touch the area, we need to make sure that we can find all the key pieces of information that we need from our circle. And the one important thing we need to be able to find is the radius. Now, the radius is a line that goes from the centre of the circle all the way to the edge. So I'm going to call that R. I use a little r and a label r. I'm going to write radius under our keywords. Now, once we've found the radius, generally in a GCSE question you'll be given either a picture of a circle with a number for the radius, or they'll tell you what the radius is. We need to remember our formula for the area. Now, this is something that won't be given to you. You need to make sure you memorise this. So, when we're dealing with area of a circle, we have area is equal to pi r squared. Now, what you need to remember when we look at this formula is think back to what we have rules with algebra. What this really means is pi times radius times radius. So all we need to do is multiply these three things together. Now, pi will be on your scientific calculators. So if you can't find it, don't worry. When you come back into class, your teacher will show you exactly how to find pi. You just input it into your scientific calculator and you'll be away. No other working out needed. Now, I'll give us a quick example. So, if I'm given a circle and I want to find the area of it and the radius is 3 centimetres. Okay, so all I have to do is I have to remember my formula for area of a circle, which I have right here. And now I have to remember the simple way of writing it out. So it's just pi times radius times radius. But we've just realised the radius is 3 centimetres. So I'm going to rewrite this again so we can see exactly what we're doing. So it's pi times 3 times 3. Okay, so we just get a scientific calculator. If I just insert this into my scientific calculator with pi, as I said before, if you can't find it, your classroom teacher will show you exactly how to. Times 3 times 3. I get an answer of 28, so I'll write this again. 28.2743338. Now obviously in an exam we're not going to leave our answer looking anything like this. Okay, so we're going to need to make sure we can either put it into 3 significant figures, round to 1 decimal place, maybe 2. So for the sake of this one, I'm going to round it to 1 decimal place. So if I'm going to round my answer to 1 decimal place, I'm going to put my 28. Well, I'm going to put my decimal place at the bottom for better practice. Now if I take my next number along, it's a 2, but the 7 will mean I'm going to have to round that up, so I'll be left with 28.3. Now, I still haven't got all of my marks yet. The exam will take away 1 mark if I forget one vital thing. And when we're dealing with area, we have to remember our units. So, our radius was 3 centimetres, which we use for length. But, when dealing with area, I need to make sure I square that unit. So my area is in fact 28.3 centimetres squared. This unit alone is worth 1 mark, ladies and gentlemen, so make sure you don't forget it. And this is finding the area of a circle. Thank you very much.